Hey there, looking to power your fintech app with seamless financial data integration? Let's break down two leading platforms, Plaid and MX, and see which ones fit for you. Plaid, founded in 2013, is a developer-friendly API platform that connects apps to users' bank accounts. It's known for its vast coverage, linking over 12,000 financial institutions across the United States, Canada, UK, and Europe. Plaid excels in account verification, transaction data, and payment processing, powering apps like Venmo and Coinbase. Its strength: speedy integration and robust documentation for developers. MX, established in 2010, focuses on data enhancement and user experience. It aggregates financial data, enriches it with AI-driven insights, and offers tools like budgeting widgets and spending analysis. MX is ideal for financial institutions and fintechs wanting to boost user engagement with clean, actionable data. It's trusted by companies like Chime and Personal Capital. So how do they stack up? Making it perfect for startups needing quick, secure connections for payments or lending. MX shines in user engagement, offering pre-built tools and personalized insights. Ideal for digital banking and financial planning apps. Which is better? If you're a startup needing wide bank coverage and fast integration, Plaid's your pick. For financial institutions focused on user experience and deep insights, MX is the winner. Choose based on your app's goals. Ready to build? Pick the platform that aligns with your vision. Stay tuned for more fintech tips. Like and subscribe for more videos.